Well, Julie, we're back in the kitchen and I'm getting so thirsty.
Me too. And you know, anytime you're drinking something that's got pickle juice in it or even pickles, it's good.
That's right. And I just need to say something.
Yes.
In this beverage, you can also add alcohol, but because we're in a county building, we're not allowed to do that.
We're on the clock.
That's right. So I know some people are going to be disappointed, but you can always add it if you want. So this is a really cool beverage, and when we were, or when the judges were reviewing these recipes, they were like, "Oh, she is so creative." So this recipe is from Sylvia Bear, and she's from North Carolina, Apex, North Carolina.
Oh, Apex, just down the street.
So look at the name of this recipe.
Okay, I'm ready.
I could have had a V8 Pickle Bloody Mary.
Isn't that what they do? Could have a V8 Pickle Bloody Mary.
That's right. So we're going to need 2 fancy glasses.
Okay.
That's the most fancy that I can find in here. Then we're going to need the vegetable juice or the
tomato juice.
The tomato juice. Then we're going to need 1/2 cup of dill pickle juice.
Yeah.
Here's the dill. Then Tabasco sauce. We're going to need also Worcestershire sauce. I don't know.
Could you say that again?
Worcestershire?
Well, I can't pronounce it, so or spell it. Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
Thank you. Yeah, I guess. If I tell you the name in Spanish, you'll be like, really?
What is the name?
Salsa inglesa.
Salsa
English sausage.
Okay.
Sausage. No sausage, but sauce. Oh,
we got sausages in this drink.
Then we're going to need a little bit of olive juice. So we have the olive juice in here. We're going to need 2 celery stalks. I think it looks so beautiful there. 6 olives. And then we're going to need some pickle slices and cheese. And like I said, it looks so pretty. So hopefully you can make it just like the picture. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to start mixing everything. We have 16 ounces of the vegetable juice in here. And now we're going to add the juice.
Okay, we'll add the pickle juice.
I'm going to move these because I'm not sure if the camera can see us.
Okay.
And then I'll bring it back.
There's the pickle juice.
Then we're going to need a little bit of the Tabasco sauce. Not a little bit, but 1/2 teaspoon. So don't add too much. Because I think the other day was too strong for me. Is that the 1/2?
Here.
Yeah. So be gentle with that one, okay? Because it got on my throat the other day.
I'm being gentle.
That's good. It is hard to put it in the spoon. Okay.
Oh, there went an extra drop.
Well, it will be okay.
Try not to put too much. How's that?
That's fine. So then we're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of our English sauce. Yeah, I don't understand why they choose a hard name for this.
I don't know. Maybe it's named after something or someone or something.
I don't know. So the next thing is going to be a dash of olive juice.
Dash.
And your recipe, in the original recipe, it says shake mixer. Well, guess what? We don't have a shake mixer in here. I wonder why.
We're going to just stir it on up.
So what we're going to do, we're going to add the ice before we add this.
Okay.
So I'm going to pass it to you.
How much ice do I need to put in here?
Maybe a little bit less than 1/2. I don't know.
It's a tiny little ice scoop you got right here.
I know, right?
I'm not sure I've ever seen such a tiny ice
scoop. You can tell that we are not used to do beverages in this kitchen. So we don't have the right tools.
That's all right. We're resourceful.
That's right. I think that's more like for candy or something. Oh, no.
It works.
That's good. So I think now it's going to come your creative dill juices.
Okay.
So we're going to need to cut some cubes of cheese.
Okay.
Okay. That way we can put it. I'm going to let you do it the way you want it.
Okay.
So you get fancy with your Bloody Mary. Okay, and then you're just gonna put like cheese, maybe an olive, and then the pickle, the way you want to do it.
Okay.
This is really cool. It's a great idea, I think.
Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I gotta put some more cheese on
You
there.
will hold the pickle.
Yeah, how cute is all this?
It is.
Put one more pickle and another slice of cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Look at that.
Beautiful. I think you did amazing. And look at all those colors. I always talk, when we're doing the cooking show, I always talk with Joel about the colors. And I think this is going to be so pretty with the reds and greens and yellows. So,
And I mean, of course, you got to have the greens for pickles, of
that's
course.
right.
Yeah, this is a great idea to add these little skewers with all this little fun
And
little
you know,
stuff
it
on
is
here.
really hard to come up with a recipe for a beverage. But I think this is very creative.
I know this. I've seen like some pickle lemonades and some other pickles things, but this
Yes.
was going to be a great one right here.
I think so too.
All right, look at that.
I
Wow.
can't wait.
How amazing that is.
Okay, so now it's time to serve, or do you want it to mix a little bit? And then let's do it one more time. Oh, this is so beautiful.
All right.
Ooh,
Are you ready?
cheers.
Cheers.
I don't even know how to.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so good.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my goodness, even the crunchy. Let me see, let me try.
That's good.
This is so good.
It was really good.
Well, I know we're getting closer to the festival. So
I
what
know,
else?
it's just April 29th. It's just around the corner. It's going to be so exciting. A lot of things really going on. And of course, all the free pickles you can eat, because My Little Pickle Company has several booths out there that you can stop by and get free pickles. You can get right in line and get right back in line again and get back in line again.
That is so cool. I cannot wait for the festival, and I cannot wait. We have 2 more recipes that we're going to show to you. We have 2 more winners. So congratulations to Miss Sylvia Bear from Apex, North Carolina.
And if you want more information about the festival, you can go to ncpicklefest.org. And it has all the information about all the bands and all the special entertainment and all the amazing things happening at
Good.
this year's Pickle Festival.
Well, I can't wait to see you there.
Cheers again.
Cheers.